blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, black color, and white color. Kids, now you draw small letters alphabets A to Z. And first you draw A and use blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B, B for ball, B for bat. C, C for cat, C for car. D, D for dog, D for doll. It's neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use red color. F, F for fish, F for fan. G, G for God, G for glass. It's neither H. H for hand, H for horse. And use green color. The alphabets of H. I for ice, I for ice cream. J, J for joker, J for jackfruit. K, K for kite, K for king. It's neither L. L for lion, L for lemon. The alphabets of L. And use yellow color. M, M for moon, M for mango. N, N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use black color. P, P for parrot, P for penguin. Q, Q for queen, Q for quill. R, R for rose, R for rice. It's neither S. S for sun, S for snake. The alphabets of S. And use blue color. T, T for teacher, T for tiger. U, U for umbrella, U for ankle. It's neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use red color. W, W for wallet, W for watch. X, X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Y, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. And Z, Z for zebra. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. Kids night H. The alphabets of H and hue is blue color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. Kids night O. The alphabets of O and hue is yellow color. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. Kids night V. The alphabets of V and U is black color. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for telephone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.